After completing the data, the definition of your string elements or string resources in the strings.xml file, go to the fragment first .xml layout file. That will be under layout, fragment underscore first.xml, and create. We'll start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll start with 6 fields. Create 6 fields. So this is what I want you all to do for your second exercise. Create 6 text views and 6 text boxes and a single button, and don't forget to constrain them. That is at least 2, right, or more if required, surfaces. But this is where we stop for now, so you all have a little bit of work to do, and it isn't too hard. So once we get it done, we'll be able to move forward.